Okay. So we're going to go over a power shutdown on this machine. This is a 680 combine, but when you're running it with your head on there, you want to be able to get the machine running full, either with your corn head or your bean head running full. Get it up to capacity with the settings you think are good, and then what you want to do is while you're combining, you want to be able to just shut the machine down, come to a stop. And what that's going to do is it's going to leave material in the machine so we can go back and see what's going. So we'll get down and go back and see what we got now. So we just get a power shutdown in the cab. We got the machine full. We shut the machine down, and now we're going to find out, okay, are we losing crop somewhere out the back end, or we want to just fine tune the machine to make it better. So what we're going to do is, when we shut it down, we're going to leave this whole material. It's going to be corn or beans, whatever we're doing in this area. We want to make sure we're getting it threshed off up here, and everything getting threshed and coming through down to the sieves. If we got ears of corn with kernel still in it, well, we need to go ahead and tweak the concave or the cylinder speed to get that corn off. Same with pods. If we're getting full pods, we need to tweak that. So we can make those adjustments. Also, we can come back here to this cleaning area, the sieve and chaffer. You know, if we got corn still in the kernel here, we know we need to make an adjustment up front there, so we can go ahead, look in this door, check, see what we have for crop back here. If there's stuff still not getting threshed, we can adjust the rotor spacing or the speed, or the concave spacing or speed, and get that set correctly. Also, we want to be able to look up in the grain tank. We can go up in the grain tank, see what kind of sample we're getting. You know, if we're getting cracks, a lot of fines, you know, maybe we're grinding the stuff and we need to slow that cylinder down. So those are all things that we can make for doing a power shutdown. Also, when we come back here to the back of the combine, you know, sometimes we can tell just by walking behind it, are we losing kernels out the back? If we can't see them in this back door, that's one more area we can check. So between all those, we should be able to get it tweaked. And a lot in your book, and we have those Nielsen grain loss cards. They'll tell you adjustments you can make to improve your performance of the machine.
Lock the brake pedals together and wear seat belts at all times. Closely monitor engine speed on the corner post display. Run the machine at the desired crop settings and throughput levels for at least 20 seconds or until the vision track monitor has stabilized. For ProDrive machines, lightly depress the brake pedals. For non-ProDrive machines, fully depress the brake pedals. Quickly move the multifunction lever to the neutral position. Press the low idle button on the armrest. Allow threshing speed to drop and quickly disengage the header and separator engage switches as engine speed drops near 1200 RPM. Do not shut off the key switch. These power shutdown steps must be rapidly performed in just 3 to 4 seconds. Allow moving components to stop and let the engine cool down. Set the parking brake, shut off the engine, and remove the key.